Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best rotary laser levels on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Spectra Precision Laser LL300 2 kit. Being the most rugged laser level on the list, the Spectra Precision LL300 2 ensures consistent and accurate performance in the harshest work sites. Built to handle the toughest conditions, this automatic, self-leveling unit serves its purpose in a variety of concrete and general construction sites. Equipped with a 10-foot grade rod and tripod, this easy-to-use and easy-to-set-up rotary laser enhances productivity and efficiency. With a fewer number of convenient controls, landscapers, pool contractors, and DIY users can get their job done in the smartest and quickest way. Along with its versatility, we love the durable construction of the unit as it saves money in the long run. It is built to withstand 3 feet drops of concrete, without compromising on accuracy and precision. Not only this, but the unit also comes with full weatherproofing and dustproofing for long-lasting performance. Its rugged design offers complete protection from humidity, concrete, and precipitation. Designed to perform efficiently in various weather conditions and job sites, this model is a reliable choice. It is also powered by 4 alkaline batteries, offering an impressive battery life of 90 hours. Apart from the alkaline batteries, you can use rechargeable NiCad batteries, which offer 45 hours of performance. Number 2. Our second best pick is Johnson Level & Tool 99026K Rotary Laser. The complete rotary level kit from Johnson offers efficient performance in various projects and work sites. Equipped with a self-leveling laser, rechargeable battery pack, mounting bracket, and tripod, it ensures accurate leveling of large constructions to DIY and residential projects. Despite having a laser identical to the Johnson 99006K, this model is worth mentioning because of its upgraded features. That being said, this versatile upgraded unit is capable of serving contractors working in small residential job sites to even entry-level workers. You can use it both vertically and horizontally for laying out floors and walls, installing drop ceilings and metal drywall tracks, or for leveling cabinets. Not just that, but with its 90-degree split laser, you can check alignments and survey stake heights. We also like the LCD laser detector upgrade as it makes it more suitable for professional use. Apart from that, the unit is equipped with rechargeable batteries for uninterrupted use in work sites. Furthermore, unlike its previous model, the unit includes a hard shell carrying for storage of all system components. You can safely carry your kit to various locations without worrying about damage. Number 3. Our third best pick is Johnson Level & Tool 99005K Rotary Laser. Designed for contractors, DIY users, and merchants under a tight budget, the Johnson 99005K Rotary Laser Level is an economical and versatile option. You can manually level the rotary laser in horizontal and vertical planes for precise and accurate measurements. We love the versatility of this manual level from Johnson, a reliable brand, dealing with lasers and layout levels. Its rotational speeds between 150 to 300 RPM make the unit suitable for various projects. Not only that, but it also allows manual leveling of horizontal and vertical planes for its maximum utility. Apart from this, the rotary level comes with a high-impact composite housing for enhanced durability. Hence, it is capable of withstanding tough worksite and weather conditions at all times. In fact, the model includes a red beam laser detector with a mounting bracket and grade rod for convenient outdoor use, especially in tough job sites. Furthermore, the intuitive controls and thumbscrews make manual leveling easy for consumers. Also, its reasonable pricing makes it stand out among homeowners and price-conscious contractors. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Iglobalbuy Electronic Rotary Laser Level. Equipped with a kit of accessories for rotational speeds and 500-meter beam visibility, this electronic rotary meets every user's expectations. It is widely used in diverse indoor and outdoor applications with maximum visibility in various light conditions. The Iglobalbuy electronic self-leveling rotary laser, featuring various control settings, helps in leveling, setting foundations, concrete pours, and more. Meeting every expectation and demand of the user ensures auto-alignment and accuracy at all times. Furthermore, with its exceptional performance in various lighting situations, it finds its use in various outdoor and indoor projects. Not just that, the unit comes with a complete kit of accessories, including laser goggles, carrying case, receiver, remote control, charger, and laser target. You can use the remote control for convenient operation of all its functions. On the other hand, the goggles help you view the laser easily during strong sunlight. We also liked its durable construction and high-impact composite housing to protect the inner mechanism from dust and water. In fact, the sturdy carrying case protects the equipment from damage, while ensuring easy organization and portability. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Johnson Level & Tool 406502 Rotary Laser. The simple design and intuitive controls of the 406502 manual rotary laser from Johnson ensures easy accessibility. Being easy to use, it serves as the perfect option for a first-time buyer. Furthermore, the reasonable pricing makes it an ideal entry-level measuring tool. Being a leading manufacturing brand of lasers and layout tools, this manual rotary level from Johnson is a reliable choice. It is designed using a rugged plastic housing, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Apart from durability, the unit also offers versatile use in various outdoor work sites. From construction, concrete work, deck building to landscaping, you can perform any of these projects conveniently. You do not have to be a professional contractor to use this tool as it is designed, especially for entry-level or DIY users. Equipped with a complete kit for convenience, the laser level can be placed on the tripod or attached to any surface using the mount bracket. You can also place it on a flat surface as per your requirement. Not just that, but it also comes with a padded carrying case for easy portability and protection. Furthermore, you can use the protective glasses provided in the kit to protect your eyes from sudden flashes of light. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.